YouTube? It's your girl Faith. I just wanted to come to you with a quick outfit of the day. Start with my hair. I just have some box braids and I just have it up in a bun with a little braided headband. And then I have on like gold earrings. They look like little pearls, but they're like gold. My makeup is pretty neutral. I just have like the basic what I wear pretty much every day is like a orange and brownish mix for my eyeshadow, some foundation, eyeliner and mascara, and then I have on like a little pink lip. I forgot the exact name of it, but when I find out I'll put it in the description box below. I have my necklace that my boyfriend got me for my birthday that I wear every day, and the ring to match. And then on this hand I have like a flowered ring that I got from Claire's, and it's like gold and pink, and then it has like little diamonds or rhinestones in it. Then I have on like this gold chain necklace I also got from Claire's, which is where I work, so it's pretty good as far as my discount goes. And then I have on some gold little bracelets, and then a pink watch that I got for Christmas last year. I have on a sheer chiffon shirt, and it ties up. If you can see that, it ties up at the bottom, and then it's kind of like a high-low because it's lower in the back. And then underneath it I just have on a I got this from JCPenney's. It was on sale for $17. And then I got just a pink cami that I got from JCPenney's, and it was $6. And then I have on like they're blue, kind of, I guess you could say a bright blue skinny jeans. I also got from Arizona. They were on sale for $17. And for my shoes, I don't have them on right now, but I'm probably going to wear like, I have some tan moccasins with the little ruffles on it, so I'll probably wear that. But I just wanted to come to you with that. I wanted to do a little color blocking today. So I got the pink and the blue, and then my neutral color for this outfit. And I'm on my way to work, but this is a good outfit. Like I said, I'm gonna put my moccasins on, but if I was going out, I would probably wear a heel or a boot, and I could do the same. This is something you can wear to work, you can wear it out with the girls, you can wear it out on a date, or you can even wear it to church. So it's a well-rounded outfit. I hope you like it, and I will see you later. Bye.